Hi guys, welcome to today's video. It's Havells Classy Cool Daylight Bulb review. So this is 15 watt LED bulb and it has 15,000 hours lifespan, meaning 625 days you can use this bulb continuously. And MRP of this 15 watt is 300 rupees, but you get this one from Amazon around 200 rupees. And this one comes with 1 year warranty. It is BIS approved. Input voltage required is 240 AC and input current is 0.07 A. It is made in India and available in 13 watt, 15 watt and 17 watt. It's a 2-star product, a good one if you compare to the older lighting technologies. This bulb offers a modern design. Its build quality seems robust and durable, and it offers a glare-free light. Light is slightly on blue side, which will not strain your eyes. Our usual bulb has this yellow lighting. This one has slightly blue light, which look perfect in offices. And with the light output of 1575 lumens, this bulb provides bright illumination, making it suitable for the rooms where good visibility is needed. And this offers a bright white light that is ideal for workspaces also. So overall, considering the pros and cons, it offers bright, effective illumination, long lifespan and glare-free lighting. It's BIS approved. Cons, I have only 2 points. One is 2-star energy rating. It could have been a more energy efficient. And the second point is pricing. Comparing to the other 15 watt LEDs in the market, it's little on the higher side. But overall, I am considering Havells' reputation for the reliable product. It's a solid option. So give it a try and subscribe for more such videos. Bye bye.